The story of Terry, a lesson on life, friendship, love, and money. Part 1. Terry's beginning. Terry was a young man born and raised in a small town in the heart of America. Known for being introverted, he enjoyed quietness and didn't care much about blending in with his peers. From a young age, Terry was used to being self-reliant, spending time reading, learning, and occasionally helping his parents with chores on their family farm. His parents often told him, "You need to learn to stand on your own 2 feet. Life isn't always easy, but if you work hard, things will be fine." Terry absorbed this philosophy, but he didn't truly understand its meaning until he grew older. Part 2. The lonely years. After graduating from high school, Terry moved to the city to attend college. It was his first time leaving home and starting a completely new life. Yet instead of feeling excited about meeting new people, Terry felt lost. He realized he wasn't good at making friends. Although his roommates were friendly, Terry found it difficult to build deep relationships. He often spent time alone, studying or working part-time at a small cafe near the dorm. One day, a friend asked, "Terry, why don't you try joining a club? It'd be more fun to have friends around." Terry smiled slightly and replied, "I don't think it's necessary. I'm fine." Terry genuinely believed that not having many friends wasn't a problem. He still got by, finished all his assignments, and even got promoted to night shift manager at the cafe. Part 3. A fleeting love. In his second year of college, Terry met Emily, a beautiful and intelligent girl in his philosophy class. Emily was cheerful, full of energy, and didn't hesitate to start conversations with Terry. After a few chats, they became closer. Emily seemed to bring light into Terry's somewhat dull life. For the first time, Terry experienced what love felt like. But this love didn't last long. Emily received a scholarship to study in Europe and decided to leave. Before her departure, she told Terry, "Terry, you're a good person, but I think you need to learn to open up more. Not everyone can stay forever, but you need relationships in life." Terry was saddened, but didn't blame Emily. After she left, Terry returned to his daily routine, convincing himself that not having love wasn't a big deal. He could still focus on his studies and work. Part 4. Post-college life. After graduating, Terry secured a stable job at a tech company. He rented a small apartment in the suburbs and started his 9-to-5 life. However, Terry soon realized something was missing in his life. He had no close friends, no one to share his joys or sorrows. His evenings often ended with watching movies alone or reading books. Even so, he told himself, "It's okay, I'm fine." But everything started to change when Terry encountered a major crisis in life. Part 5. Financial crisis. One day, Terry's company announced layoffs, and he was among those let go. With minimal savings, Terry began searching for a new job. However, the labor market was saturated, and he couldn't find a suitable position quickly. Within a few months, Terry realized he didn't have enough money to pay rent or cover living expenses. For the first time in his life, Terry felt the pressure of being broke. He tried calling old acquaintances for help, but no one was close enough to offer meaningful support. Terry had no friends to lean on and no romantic partner to comfort him. At this moment, he realized that not having money was truly the biggest problem. Part 6. A journey to rediscovery. After weeks of anxiety, Terry decided he couldn't just sit and wait. He started taking on any job he could find, delivering packages, waiting tables, fixing computers. Terry realized he needed to change his mindset about life. During this time, he also reflected on his past relationships. He realized that while friends or love might not be the only sources of happiness, having a good network of relationships could make it easier to overcome challenges. More importantly, Terry learned that financial stability wasn't just about security, it was also a way to feel confident in life. Part 7. Lessons from hardship. After a year of hard work, Terry finally landed a new job with a better salary. He started saving, creating financial plans, and rebuilding his life. This time, Terry decided to open up more, connect with colleagues, join social activities, and even try dating again. Terry came to understand, not having friends isn't a problem, but having friends makes life more meaningful. Not having love isn't a problem, but love is a source of motivation that completes life. Not having money is a big problem because money is the tool to survive and pursue dreams. Part 8. An open ending. Terry's story doesn't end with wealth or a perfect romance, but he found balance in life. He learned to face challenges, value relationships, and most importantly, never stop striving to improve himself. Terry hopes his story can be a lesson for those who feel lost or are facing difficulties. Life isn't perfect, but if you know how to balance finances, relationships, and love, you'll find true happiness.